So here I'm reading for Twitter polls. That is called. First of all, we can target by your Twitter will be four option. One is called your photos or videos. Set by GIF images. Set by your polls. Just click for in this option. First ask by question. You ask by the question call is DRS Congress. So we're reading for Mahakodami as a name of Congress plus TDP, and we can call it for BJP and others. Why? Because we can options are only four, so that four will be written by TRS and Congress plus TDP and BJP and others. So that is called here will be given by this. We can give option call is hashtags. This is a very important from your hashtags. Why? Because people trending your tweet purpose. And so today will be option call is Wednesday. So every Twitter, the getting for one trending will be every day. That is called weekly trending. That is called Ash Wednesday. What is called Wednesday Wisdom and Wednesday Thought. So select it. Wednesday Thought. Wednesday Motivation. Here I'm give by year. So when using for DDP, they're not using any hashtag. So I'm going for Mahakutami. We're using for political. So vote for car. Vote for BJP. Vote for Mahakutami. So just I'm writing for this hashtag for purpose of trending my poll purpose. If you're not trading for poll, I'm not using for hashtag. How to trending for my poll? Nobody can trending. So based on your polls, the trending topic and adding for hashtags. So I'm adding for this all options can be number of hashtag, but is accept only for 255 characters. I can add for 2 to 3. Wait for a second. So here, this I'm creating for poll. Just I'm writing for this four option with the trending for adding for hashtags. Click for tweet. So at a time we can create the multiple tweets also. Multiple tweet also. That is called we can create by multiple poll also. So one poll is done, you can create by multiple polls. This is all based on your requirement. If you not require here, just remove it. Just accept by only for one tweet. So this is called we can create polls on your Twitter account. In a create Twitter polls will be multiple Twitter polls or one Twitter polls. Based on your training, the Twitter creating polls on your account. The vote will be start and your poll expiry date is only for 24 hours. The poll expiry date is how many hours? Only for 24 hours. Now we will start by 23 hours left. Once done, the coming to over, the polls will be expired. The active time will be only for 24 hours. So this is called create a poll on your Twitter account on your trending purpose. For trending is called regular posting content. That is called here this is a Wednesday. Wednesday wisdom, Wednesday thought, and Wednesday motivation. If you coming to Tuesday motivation, Tuesday wisdom, and Tuesday tasks. So based on the weekly, your trending will be very helpful from your voting purpose. So this is called create the polls on your Twitter account.